everyone! Welcome to Urban Deca Homes Ortigas project. So today we will visit our turnover unit and the dressed up model unit. So come on, let's visit them. Welcome to our turnover unit. So yeah, as you can see, this is a fully fitted type. Tile finish na po siya. Yan. And then yung door niya, this is a wooden panel door. Main door natin. And latex painted na rin po yung wall natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi nyo na siya kailangan ipa-renovate. Actually, if you buy or if you purchase a unit here, pag na-turn over siya sa inyo, ganito na siya. So dadalhin nyo na lang yung gamit nyo, lilipat na lang kayo, and pwede na kayong kamera. Yeah. And also, the security feature is really ideal for everyone na titira dito. There, as you can see, yung electricity control panel natin is just right over here. Ito yung main door. And nandito lang siya. So, if there's an emergency, just in case, napakadali niyang ma-access. Yeah. And then, this is a 2-bedroom unit. 30.60 square meters. So, nakikita niyo yung bedroom 1 natin. And then, the bedroom 2. So, for each bedrooms, we have AC partition or provision for air condition na. And yung window niya is very safe, lalo na for kids, kung family yung titira, kasi it doesn't go all the way kapag binuksan mo. Hanggang dyan lang siya. Ayan. So again, meron na tayong provision for air condition and painted na rin yung walls niya hanggang bedroom natin tile finish siya. This is the second bedroom. So same. Meron din siyang provision for AC and then window natin sobrang laki din. Look siya. Yan. There. Okay. And then this area naman, this corner right here is our kitchen. Ito kung makita yung kitchen natin. This is a modular base cabinet, this one. So yeah. Diyan yung pwede lagay yung mga gamit nyo, kitchen stuff. Yan siya. And then the sink. Sink is also included sa ating turnover. So kung ano yung nakikita nyo rito, yun yung kasama sa turnover. Meron siyang shower, meron siya nito, toilet and bowl, and then meron din siyang sink. Ayan. So diba, ready na talaga siya para malipadan once it's turned over. And also, again, this is 30.60 square meters, and very ideal siya not only for people who are looking to buy a home, but also for investment purposes like short-term rental, bed space, or long-term rental. Ayan. So that's all for our turnover yung details. For more information, or if you actually want to have a site visit, or kung gusto nyo na mag-virtual tour, or pumunta mo mismo dito sa site, sorry, nagbubalala ko. Pumunta mismo dito sa site, then you can always contact me. And yes, I can definitely assist you. So that's all for our turnover unit. Thank you guys!